Hi, I'm Matt Swanson. This is Lori Swanson. We're here at Guardian Roofing headquarters. I think the biggest thing right now that we want to convey is we hope everyone is healthy and at home taking care of your families. And the important thing for us, for you to know, is that we're here and we're here to help you. We've been through tough times before. Our business was just a young business in 2008 when everything went crazy. No one knows where things are headed, but I know one thing. We are an essential service, and we're here to help.
Definitely, and I think that's the most important message, is that letting everybody know that we are here to help. And we've been through these times before, and it doesn't matter how big or how small. We just want you to know that we can help. You have enough to worry about right now with all that's going on in the world. Let us take that stress off from you if you have it. So let us help you with your roof.
Just give us a call or get on guardianhome.com, and we're here to help. Just let us know what we can do.